Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Now I have a massive surprise to myself. Guys, guess what? I bought myself a new car. Hi guys, good morning. It's Friday, Good Friday guys. Hey, look how hi Gracie girl. Oh, she's having a fun time over here. Very fun house. So we had breakfast here, my parents came. Big coincidence actually. Ossie's mum's name is Becca, his brother's name is Beta. This lady who is from our village in Fastotsai, she is also Beta. She's a masseuse, so she came all the way here from Samoa to massage one of my uncles who was very sick, who is now able to walk and he's healed. Also guys, I got a massive surprise for you guys. Well, not so much you guys, but a massive surprise for me to tell you guys. Yay! Why is it so blurry? Hold on guys, hold on. There we go. I don't know what it was focusing on before, but I'm so excited anyway. I'm so excited. Leave that door open. I'm over here, my mom.
What's up guys, it's your boy Chochi. Today is the Easter day. Now we're just sitting here and chilling, listen to the music from our boy ALJ. So if you know you sing this song, shout out to you my man. Just chilling around and enjoy the Easter. Happy Easter everyone. You wanna say happy Easter to everyone? Say happy Easter.
Angayali Easter ngay fia umaka ka uma mangwiali Easter Samoa ngay Australia angwia lama ngay Easter ikakumawan file muman fia
ya ka foka le
ya ka fa le ngi bebesi mang me kupu
ya
mangwia lama.
We're straightening Mir's hair. Look how pretty.
We're straightening and Shmia's hair. Now we're straightening Shmi's hair. Check out Shmi. You'll see more videos coming up because we taking video everywhere. Now we're taking video everywhere because we're having a holiday this weekend and next weekend. So guys, stay safe and be careful. Stay out of trouble and don't do any trouble.
So the washing machine's calling me.
The washing machine is calling these two to go hang the kangamia off. You know what I mean guys? These guys want me to go to hanging out our clothes outside. You know, this is the holiday, public holiday. It's not for doing for our guys. They're all off their clothes, not my clothes. I got two clothes. Oh, come on. There's only work clothes. There's only my work clothes.
We're on our way, just chilling. I don't know, do you guys see something different? Obviously. We're in a new car.
This car's so nice, eh? Looks much better. It's too high and everything's new inside this car.
Should have brought some fish and chips to have here at the Pine Island, which is a lake or like a dam, guys, because we don't have a beach here where we are.
Yeah, it's your boy, Snacky boy. Yeah.
My ears are blocked.
Now we're coming here for walking, talkie.
I remember I almost drowned here, guys, when I was like 6 years old. I almost died, guys. I was so close to dying, legit. And then this Palangi man pulled me out of the water because I was dragging his son down. Lucky someone was watching that boy.
Everyone's coming here and swimming here. This dirty water.
I know, right? This is the closest thing we have to
We didn't. I've never been here. Never been swimming in this dirty water.
Ka ele ito.
Yeah.
So we stopped off here at another lake Just showing him around, having having some ice cream.
What a nice life. What a nice life.
Wait, I want to go closer. Mia looks so pretty, guys. Look at her. Oh, you can't even see because of the sky. Look how beautiful this is. Look at Mum. Mum's just relaxing. Yeah? Mày là ngay viên ngay xoay bóng như cốc.
Ya, se tala mai rea si mato ai ngā nei awhia. Ia tau titiro mai ai, ki au hapena nā luta whaonga si mato nei ai ngā. Ia taksi rawa tāta wāpā mato ai ngā rei mo te o, ia stay mea.
Why call her Papa? Guys, dish my car. Dish my car. Take a thumbnail.
Ia se take the thumbnail.
Wait.
Yeah.
Tau tua nei ru.
Ka wale whio I minska. Malonga pare kua. Ia whaafkai mo mea alofa o. Mawhai ai unga mama ka maka solo ai. Whale o. Vai o awala o. Kele fo mea ai o pal mga war kele mea ai ia. E seki ama ko ngei. Pe maki o aku mama I ngai mea ai.
Guys, this is my car.
Ya re, o re, papoinga na ko sa makavai. So we up here in arboretum. So yeah, we just come for a little tour up here.
It's an acorn.
Acorn. What's that mean, acorn?
Those shapes, it's a nut.
Oh, acorn. So beautiful. The other problem is too sunny.
No, when we go in, it'll be better.
When we go there, it's gonna be better. That's why Victoria said. Na so mga kuya I mere mga yo.
Ngai ia. Ni ka whonga ka mai. Ka mai kua.
Mia, what did you think up here? Hey Mia? Oh, what did you think, Mia? Can you answer this question or what? What did you think, Mia? Huh? What did you think? What did you think, Mia? That's a mahal foul, yeah? Mang ấy chocolate. Yeah, look, this is so beautiful. Fancy, it's so fancy. Được chưa có cùng? Có pha sẽ mấy bác qua cùng cầm ấy. Yeah, look, it's so nice, so fancy. Yeah, this is arboretum. Arboretum. This is arboretum. It's not arboretum.
Arboretum. Arboretum.
Yeah, arboretum. Arboretum means arboretum. What do you think, Snacky Kill?
Oh, I just think it's so beauty.
I'm so beauty. No, not me. This area.
So nice.
This is so beautiful, guys. Do you see it? This is so amazing.
We should go sit there.
So, my fault, you may find in Australia, Mum.
me found for.
What did you think, Mia, about this? Hey, Mia, can you say something about this? Because we asking you a question and you didn't answer. Now we asking you another question. Can you answer the question? Answer the question, Mia.
Okay, thank you. I think this was so nice. First time of my life to come in this all things.
Okay.
It's so nice to see.
Okay.
There's a lot of people.
Come on, speak it. Amazing, hey, Mia. Okay. What do you think, Snacky Girl? Hey, Snacky Girl. What did you think? Oh no, you're not answering the question. What did you think?
Oh, can you come this side and take it off? What's the marker like in the background?
Ngadi.
We're having such a wonderful time here with our mum and sis. Oh guys, that was so funny. So funny. Yeah, Mia. It's sliding dope. Good. Let me close this cupboard because y'all gonna see all that snacks. But this is the only snack you need to worry about. Now yesterday I did mention that I bought a new car. Aussie and I bought a new car, I should say. And I wanted to show you guys because I just don't feel like it was very well planned. It was just, I don't know, I was feeling all kinds of emotions that I actually forgot to vlog it. This is my brand new car. It's a Toyota RAV4. Latest year model. Okay. So guys, I just wanted to show you my car. I just want to thank the good Lord for blessing me with this car. And I know some of you are like, why do you always thank the good Lord? You got that car on your own. Excuse me, shut up. It was God's doing, okay? I'm just enjoying this break on keto.
What's up guys, it's your boy Georgie. It's Saturday. It's beautiful Easter this weekend. Spend time at home with mommy and sissy and snacky. Just remember guys, Jesus died on the cross because of you and me. If you're angry at someone, just repent.
Hi guys, we're here at the market now. Bishwick Market.
We're here inside the fruits market. So yeah, I just finished cutting my hair. Don't like it guys. And you come here to take some fruits from here. And pineapple, apple, melengi, fa'i, whatever. Maka kalau siung dia olah pun sahaja. So guys,
Evening guys, so we are home, about to have dinner. I made up some salads. Hopefully our tourists like it because they're not very used to it in Samoa.
They like it, what do you mean we eat it before?
Oh, okay. Then we got your girl Mia here.
Check out Mia, she's watching everything here.
I don't know what she's watching. We got schnitzels cooking. Just a nice easy dinner because we are going to Brisbane tomorrow early morning. Hold on, it's your girl Molly. Hey Molly Dolly. Guys, so we just got home. We're cooking salad, schnitzel, rice, something light because we're going to Brisbane tomorrow early morning. No, tomorrow Monday early morning, like 3 or 4 a.m. and we're having a big function tomorrow at church, so I also got to get up really early tomorrow, Sunday early morning, and start cooking potato bake and also some spring rolls. I was going to make my bungy bopos, but there's just too much going on and I would rather just have a nice chilled day and morning. But we love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching our vlogs, for staying in tune with us. Salad, rice, made tomato sauce, schnitzel, it's cheese inside. Mia didn't want the salad. Why you didn't like salad, Mia? What's he got that?
Mommy, is it nice, mommy?
Yummy.
Make sure you subscribe and share and like. Comment down below if you like more videos, and if you like these videos, comment down below, guys. SB Squad, signing out.